the reason why I wanted to make motor vehicles is because Jamaica don't make those stuff, and I wanted Jamaica to at least make motor vehicles.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health of our wealth. And your health is your wealth, so please take care of it. Don't know, but there, blessed Sunday. No, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. You know, I'm here waiting to start my referee game, you know. But yeah, man. I just want to big up each and every one, blessed Sunday, you know. Big up all who can find the Sunday dinner, who can't, you know. I put a mackerel or rice or whatever. Just be grateful for life and for what you have. See, I remember, somebody out there has it worse, see? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I have a very inspiring video I want to show you right now. I'm sure you say, yo, Jamaica nobody, you know, are the people, you know. Yeah, the people, you see it? Yeah, the people, and the government them too can help make things better, but that's how you go. After the break.
More blessing, international jerky, you know, enough blessing and love, you know. The best jerk chicken, 3 trophy award, you know. Steamed fish, lobster, prawn, anything, you know, Sheffington, you know. What do I call me? Sheffington, I call me Sheffington. What me do? Sheffington, I call me Sheffington. What me do? Poo for white man and Syrian. Poo for Indian and Mexican. Anyway, me going to call me #1 car. #1 a me and #1. No more, you know. Lion foot, you know. TV, you know. Big up, you know. The best, you know, in town, you know. Check it out, you know. Jerky said that. International. One love.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. As I can say, football in the background. I know I'm a very sport-oriented person. Big up Jerky, you know. Zine goal scorer, look why. Yeah, goal scorer, is it? Yeah, so. Yeah, man, big up Jerky. You can link him up if you want to know catering, you know. He will come to your home and do the catering. You see me? Yeah. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you have this virgin the youth, you know. One part of Jamaica. I see it at the Star and I said, Johnny was very, very impressed and inspired, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nice feeling, man. So as a youth is very creative and talented. And sometimes some youth talented in school, you know, but, you know, them now poverty, blighted, and intervene and ruin their opportunity to progress further in their craft. And even explore them craft and know so them talented, because everyone born with a gift, you know, and the mind, you know, I just you have to acknowledge it. You see me? But watch what I go on.
I made them from wood. They can drive, play music, and they have lights. I've never studied about it. I just do it. And I dreamed that I was driving them, so normally I would draw them, but I just decided to make them. I wanted to make the real ones, but I don't have the resources and the material, so I made the little model ones. They are made of wood, plywood and Solitex. And the plastic that you see here is the power energy drink, adrenaline power energy drink. That's the bottle that I used to make this, the blue bottle. And you can see the label of the drink right here. I get the bulbs from flashlight, and the wheel now I made it from the plastic pipe, and the tires I made from the bicycle tire. The music, I get a boombox circuit board and put in my dashboard, and can connect the phone to it. And the speaker now is in here for this one, and this one speaker is in the trunk.
So you're able to use the phone to drive the car?
Yes, sir.
And you're able to operate a sound system from out of the car?
Yes, sir. Or you get the phone to drive it. The music box, I connect the part where the sound comes out of it. And like when you start playing music, the speaker, you know, the speaker always, it can go in or out. So when the music starts play on the speaker, I have a small speaker where when you go out, I connect a wire on it and put a long piece crossway it. So when you go up, you connect to it. And then that is an electric switch that I create. The motor, for this one I get out of a remote car, but the wood is too heavy for it, so I have to upgrade it. I have to join 2 motors together and put 2 bigger magnets on it. And this one is an electric gel battery. It should be fast enough that you have to run it down, but the battery I only have, it can take 20, it should get 20 volts, but I can give it 30, but you only have to run off a 5 volt.
What type of battery?
Phone battery. For the rough road, well, if it in real life, like you're going to the country area, like the town road, you can drop low, but if you're going into the country area, you can carry it up.
Hydraulics and all.
Yes.
Alright, so there's 33 at the back. What is that?
Oh, it shows the percentage of every battery that is in it. So it is low now. I wanted to attend Jagas to build motor vehicles and that stuff. Because I wanted to make the real ones. I wanted to make new models of vehicles. But I don't have the resources. If I could get to go to a school that do robotics engineering, that would be a big help for me. Because the reason why I wanted to make motor vehicles is because Jamaica don't make those stuff. And I wanted Jamaica to at least make motor vehicles.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. You see what going on? They saw the youth talented and gifted man build cars out of wood. Zine, Solitex, plastic buckle, cheese and peas, bicycle tire. Him use make the wheel them. You see me? Phone battery. Jano, tell me if that's not inspiring. And the man say his dream is to people start making cars in Jamaica. So maybe him can be the first. Zine, because all along Jamaica I take things from people, you know, and I sell out things, you know. So the youth I say, yo, he would love to make cars, start making Jamaica different model, different style, different shape, you know. You see it, so I have to give the youth credits for that. And the parents say we need help to go to school, and I don't know if anybody can help. I know this video you gone viral already and gone, but I do my part in putting it out, you know. So anybody can help him get in the school. Him say would like to go to a particular school. We deal with motors and them things there, you see me, so. But you can go help him, man. You see, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, like them, like this. Now I stay long now because I don't know football mode, and we're there. I can't use my phone. Professional thing, you see me? Players and brothers say no man in my phone, there, you see it, but yeah, we just take the time out to say, yo, big up the youth and family, them, and who can help him, you see me? A greatness. Man, I make care out of good. Remember when we used to make milk, and the milk box them, orange juice box, and got a tough gang, Bob Marley studio. We get the record wheel them. They look small in the middle. You know when them stamp out the middle of the record, we use them to make the wheel them. Who remember those days? Those days it's nice. We never have much of crime. Our generation, my generation never too with a badness like that like nowadays, you know. The new generation are different still, but as me say, Jamaica nice. See? I just the youth them and the people them and the mind and the mentality. You see it? There was another one from Lionfoot. Make me know what you think. You see me? Big up on yourself. Stay safe. God bless you all. Love you.
Yeah, me.
From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around.